Today I will be making chloroform by the haloform reaction. You will need to pre-chill your bleach to at least 0 degrees C. I poured out 50 ml of bleach into a beaker and then added 70 ml of acetone to the bleach jug. Then added 1 ml of acetone to the 50 ml of bleach that I poured into the beaker. The reaction between sodium hypochlorite and acetone is very exothermic, so you will want to keep an eye on the temperature. If the temperature gets too high, put it in an ice bath so the chloroform does not boil away. Set the mixture in a cool, well-ventilated area to react. Let this one react for around 3 hours, and you can see it is very milky colored. Chloroform is more dense than water, so pour off the upper water layer and collect the lower chloroform layer. I only got around 25 ml of chloroform from this go. I did a second run, but this time I let it sit overnight, and I got a little over 50 ml of chloroform. Much better. I added my chloroform to a flask and dried it using anhydrous magnesium sulfate. After it has dried, filter off the magnesium sulfate and set up for simple distillation. You can add a small amount of ethanol or methanol to stabilize the decomposition of the chloroform.